Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make the best purchasing decisions. Today, we're diving into the world of 3D printing with a showdown between the ComGrow official Creality Ender 3 and the ComGrow 2024 new version Creality K1C. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about price. The Ender 3 comes in at a wallet-friendly $232. Reviewers love it for being affordable and reliable, making it a great choice for beginners. On the other hand, the K1C is priced at $599. While it's more expensive, reviewers say it offers a wealth of advanced features that justify the cost. If you're on a budget, the Ender 3 is your go-to. But if you've got the cash and want top-tier features, the K1C won't disappoint. Next, we have speed and efficiency. The Ender 3 is praised for its reliability, but don't expect lightning-fast prints. Reviewers note it's great for steady, detailed work. The K1C, however, is a speed demon with a blazing speed of 600 millimeters per second and an acceleration of 20,000 millimeters per square second, making it 12 times faster than your average printer. According to reviews, if you value speed and efficiency, the K1C is the clear winner. Let's talk about assembly and usability. The Ender 3 is like a DIY project. Reviewers mention it takes about 2 hours to assemble and calibrate, but it's straightforward with ample support available. The K1C, on the other hand, comes pre-assembled and ready to go. With features like auto-calibration, reviewers find it extremely user-friendly and convenient. If you prefer plug-and-play, the K1C is your best bet. Now, let's look at extruder and filament compatibility. The Ender 3 has an upgraded extruder that reduces the risk of plugging and bad extrusion. Reviewers appreciate its reliability for standard filaments. The K1C boasts a clog-free direct extruder that can handle high-temperature printing up to 300 degrees Celsius and exotic filaments like carbon fiber. According to reviews, the K1C offers greater versatility in filament options. Finally, let's discuss smart features and cooling. The Ender 3 has a resume printing function, which reviewers find useful during power outages. The K1C comes with advanced features like AI LiDAR and an AI camera that stop printing if something goes wrong. Reviewers are impressed by its high-tech capabilities and robust cooling system, which ensures perfect prints every time. If you want cutting-edge technology, the K1C is the way to go. Overall, the Ender 3 is praised for its affordability, reliability, and suitability for beginners. The K1C receives high marks for its advanced features, speed, and ease of use. Both printers have their strengths, so your choice will depend on your budget and needs. So there you have it. The Ender 3 is the budget-friendly, reliable workhorse, while the K1C is the high-speed, high-tech marvel. Which one should you choose? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Check the description for product links. Until next time, buy smart and print smarter.